Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin and the latest news on it. Let's get into today's video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu coins you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And if you guys are interested in getting some free Shiba Inu coin, then go ahead and use the first link in the description, deposit $1 on public, and you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock back, and then you can basically just sell that stock and then invest into Shiba Inu coin, or you can just keep the stock, whatever feels right to you. Use that first link in the description. With all that out of the way, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So here we are on public.com. You can see Shiba Inu Coin obviously listed here, which is a really good thing. We had this massive pump yesterday, or well, today, but yesterday when I post this video. I don't know, that's confusing. And it went from like about down 4% to up almost 4%, so almost an 8% swing. And obviously we talked about this on our live stream yesterday, but if you weren't there, basically there was just a lot of volume that happened, and ever since then we've been selling off. No real rhyme or reason for this. We're going to be talking about the technical analysis. We're also going to be talking about news, so if any of that sounds good to you, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video. But here we are on StockTwits. You can see that Shiba Inu Coin is the third most active crypto or stock on StockTwits, obviously the most active cryptocurrency by a pretty wide margin, and also they have the 8th most added to watch list in the last 24 hours, which is what we love to see. And here we are on lunarcrush.com, and you can see that these social metrics all trend in the right direction for Shib. However, when we do look at the social volume, it is a bit lower than last week, but obviously as we see more volume, as we see this cracking exchange listing whenever it happens, we're going to be talking about that today. We will see this social volume and social engagement come back up, in my opinion. But you know, we can't be, you know, working at all cylinders at all times. But obviously all the social metrics still green, so that's good. All right, and here we are on Twitter. So this is where I get all of my Shiba Inu Coin up-to-date news. Now you can look for like Bloomberg articles, but those only come out once every couple days. So I really like to follow different Twitter accounts such as Shitoshi himself, as well as different news channels. But anyways, you can see here that we are having 900,000 holders of Shib. It just crossed this barrier about 20 minutes ago, so we have about 900,000 people who hold Shiba Inu Coin. We're looking to get to 1 million in November, and I definitely think that is a possibility, especially with the upcoming catalysts that we have. Also, if you guys didn't know, we made our first video on Saitama yesterday, so if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and watch the other video. If not, just keep watching this one. But yeah, so I mean, we broke 900,000 Shib holders. Not only that, the person who actually put $8,000 into Shib last year now had, and it's now worth $5.2 billion, has moved $2.4 billion worth of Shib to 4 different wallets. So possibly one of these wallets could be a burn wallet. Who knows? But all I know, this could be super good. Now we also have something from the Shitoshi Kusama Twitter. Nothing he said, but Kraken Exchange, obviously this was an exchange that asked their community to leave 2,000 likes, and if they got to 2,000 likes that they would list Shib tomorrow, which would have been today or yesterday if you guys are watching the video, but obviously they didn't, so everyone was wondering why. They finally got back to us. Shib Army, we heard you loud and clear. Community is an important part of our considerations for all listings, and you have clearly shown your support. There's much more work for us to do as we move through our listing review process. So basically they say, hey, we're not ready, and I don't know why they decided to a couple of days ago yesterday actually post that they would drop it tomorrow if they got 2,000 likes, when obviously the Shib Army is so strong, we're going to get you 2,000 likes in like literally 2 seconds. So I don't know why they just said it and then decided to say, hey, we're not done with our listing review process. So that's a mess up on their end, but this is a catalyst we have coming up for us very soon, because obviously they're working to get it on there as soon as they can. Something cool that I also want to bring up, I'm not promoting this at all, but there is a new trading pair of Shib and Doge that has officially been listed on Bitcoin for maximum Shib and Dogecoin profits while you're asleep. Basically, this is a trading bot, and I do not agree with trading bots, but a lot of people do use trading bots. So a lot of people are taking advantage of Shiba Inu Coin being better than Dogecoin right now. So I think that's really cool. However, I do not support this trading bot. That's all I want to say. And obviously, KuCoin has also added the Shib/Doge trading pair, so people can change Doge into Shib, which is something we really want to. But anyways, let's get into CoinMarketCap.com. So pretty good day for crypto in general, up to $2.74 trillion global crypto market, a 4% increase over the last day. Whenever you see a 4% increase over the last day, you can pretty much expect all of crypto to be ripping, except for Shiba Inu Coin. Obviously today we were let down a bit from the Kraken exchange not listing Shiba Inu Coin, but that hopefully will be coming up this week. They never gave a timeline, however. But Bitcoin, Ethereum hit new all-time highs today. Really love to see it. But Shiba Inu Coin still at that 9th spot, about $1 billion above Dogecoin. Hopefully we stay above them. However, we are taking a bit of a dip, sadly. We're going to get into that technical analysis in a second. However, the volume is bouncing back a bit. It was down to about 3 billion at some point today, but then as you see down here, the volume picked back up a little bit. And hopefully it continues to pick back that volume up into tomorrow. However, let's get into this technical analysis, man. So this is a real zoomed out view of what we're seeing with Shib right now, and we are seeing obviously a bull pennant, right? Or sorry, a bull flag right now. So we could see, if this were to break out of the bull flag, we would see Shib delete a 0 from my technical analysis. However, as you can see, we are pretty close to breaking the support line. However, we have hit the support line twice and bounced right off of it. So hopefully this candle doesn't get below this support line. I don't think it will, but obviously we're right on the verge. Now, I mean, the RSI is sitting at about 66, so it is still kind of near overbought territory. However, Shiba Inu Coin Army is obviously extremely strong, so who knows? We are still trending up on the MACD technically. However, the trend is starting to look a little bit like we're going down. All we need is a catalyst at this point. Even the Kraken catalyst could possibly break us out of this bull flag, but this is a very, very large, I believe this is on the 1-year chart on TradingView, and it looks very bullish. However, if we do break this, it might not look as bullish. Looking into like the 1 month, obviously there is a support at the 60 level that I see. So obviously we can possibly see us retreat back to this 60 level. I really hope we don't, but if that does happen, we're not going to go below 60 in my opinion. That is a very strong support line that we bounced off 3 times already. But yeah, that is going to be it on Shiba Inu Coin today. If you guys did get any value or entertainment out of this video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and also make sure you guys comment how many Shiba Inu coins you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin Army is. Make sure you guys subscribe for more. I know I already just said that, but I really want to pound it through. We only 14% of the people who watch our videos are subscribed, so if you can get that number up a bit, that'd be awesome. Also, make sure you guys get your free stock from Public, and then trade it into Shiba Inu Coin if you want, or just keep it. And that's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.